So if you're trying to use Grok AI for free, but you're not sure where to start, yeah, this guide will walk you through it step by step in a really simple way. First, open the X app or go to the X website. Grok AI is built right into it, so you don't need a separate app or anything like that. If you're not already signed in, just log in with your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. It's free and takes just a minute. Now, look for Grok in the sidebar or under the menu. Sometimes it's labeled under More or appears as a chat icon. So just take a moment to locate it, tap on Grok, and if free access is available in your region, you'll be able to start chatting right away. No subscription needed, at least for basic use. Now, here's a tip. Be specific with your questions. For example, instead of just saying, help me, try asking something clear like, explain this topic in simple terms. Keep in mind, free access may have limits. If you hit a restriction, you might need to wait or upgrade. But for basic use, you can still get a lot done. And that's it. Now you know how to use Grok AI free version step by step. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.